Hey guys, we're going to take you through a quick video on the overview of how to install the new Oracle LED off-road mirrors onto a Ford F-150. Alright, if you look inside here, you'll see where the mirror actually attaches to the motor mechanism. What we're going to do is take a flathead screwdriver and gently pry the glass away. That's going to release the glass and allow us to access the inside of the mirror. These got heated mirrors, so we need to remove these two wires here. Now we're going to remove the 4 T20 screws that hold the front section of the mirror to the back section of the mirror. Alright, now that these two parts are unscrewed, we can go in and actually separate the front and the back pieces. There you go. This has got a puddle light, so we'll go ahead and pop this out and remove the housing altogether. With the mirror removed, we can now take the top cap off. There are 4 clips back here that you just press to release. Factory cap now removed, we can set that on the side. We'll bring the housing in and install the new Oracle off-road mirror. Where the factory part originally clipped in, this is now going to bolt in. So we'll flip it over, install our 4 screws where the 4 clips previously were. With the mirror now reassembled, we can install it back into the truck. Alright, we're going to take the wiring and route it following the factory wiring on the inside. We'll fish it through on the other side. Now we're going to take the mirror, reinstall it, make sure all the edges line up properly. And then we'll reinstall the 4 T20 screws. With the heated mirror now reattached, we can take the mirror and line it back up on the mount. Using a rag, push it into the assembly to secure it in place. Just check it to make sure that everything's reattached properly.